course. Tough loss night in overtime.
Struggling, man. My Red Wings are doing horrible stuff.
All right, Detroit. Nobody got this. All right, good luck. Look at that view! Awesome! This is awesome! Woo-hoo! This is worth it! Oh man, I want to do it again.
That was good.
That was, look at this. This is great. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. Should have done two.
The first one was the worst. It's just the initial takeoff, right?
Yeah, you know, the anticipation, yeah. Look at that view though.
That is cool.
Man, that was kind of a letdown. Man, what a beautiful night though.
It is.
That was nothing. It's all about the anticipation, the anxiety before.
I like the spin as we
Yeah,
at the
coming
top as we
down,
come
right
down.
down. Yeah. I wish we'd done two now.
I think you still can.
I think you down?
For like 10 more bucks or something.
Yeah, that's it. That it?
That is?
That's it?
Come on.
You want to go again?
All right, guys. Second time's only $10 each.
Want to go again?